Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your Honors ELA 7 weekly roundup from October 26th until October 30th. So this week we are going to be reading chapters 1 through 4 of an American play. We're going to be focusing on context clues, central idea, and how elements of a story interact. But of course it will be with a nonfiction reading. Now we will break up those 4 chapters, and on Thursday we'll actually be reading a Newsella article and students will be completing a quiz. So we will kind of break it up to where we're not reading the story the whole time. Now back to Monday for the language arts. We're going to be having a little small writing on the Day of the Dead, comparing it to Halloween. Students will be reading an article on Day of the Dead, completing the quiz, highlighting some things about Day of the Dead, and then creating a Google Doc and answering the question, what are the cultural aspects of Day of the Dead? They'll be doing something similar on Tuesday, but with the holiday, Halloween. And then on Wednesday, they will be comparing and contrasting those two holidays for a total of 3 paragraphs. Now on Thursday, we will have a fun little monster project where students will first they'll draw a monster and then have a small little paragraph describing what their monster looks like. And then on Friday, they will share that writing with another student, and that other student, to the best of their ability, will try to draw the monster according to the description. So that is your weekly roundup for Honors ELA 7 for this week.